crab is nice and clean and good to go. Yes, I'm satisfied now. Prawns are very easy to cook, and it doesn't matter if you want to season it before or you can season it during cooking. It doesn't matter. They cook very fast and they catch flavors very fast. This is my natural spice, some onion, pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, some spring onion and onion on the side, and lots of garlic, people. Seafood need lots of garlic. I like putting garlic because it give it a different flavor. You get me? Now it's the time to add any extra flavor to it to your taste. It doesn't matter. Just do things the way you like. So I'm cooking 3 crab. So you know, say 1 for Ronaldino, my lovely son. 1 for Sarah, my beautiful